Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of YesStyle. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about YesStyle and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about YesStyle. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.